Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your investment performance with Bloomberg easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your investment performance using Bloomberg, start by logging into your Bloomberg terminal. Once you are logged in, locate the command line at the top of the screen. Type in the code port and hit the enter key. This action will take you to the Portfolio and Risk Analytics menu. Now, click on Portfolio Performance from the available options. Here, you can select the specific portfolio you want to analyze. Choose the time frame for which you want to evaluate performance. You can select daily, monthly, or a custom date range. Next, review the performance metrics displayed on the screen. This includes returns, benchmarks, and any relevant indices. To compare your portfolio against a specific benchmark, select the Compare option. Choose the benchmark you wish to analyze against your investments. Make sure to review both absolute and relative performance metrics. For more detailed analysis, click on the Risk tab in the menu. This section will provide insights into volatility, drawdown, and other risk factors. If necessary, use the Reports feature to generate a detailed performance report. Customize the report settings based on your requirements. Once the report is generated, you can save or export it for your records. To analyze the underlying investments, click on the Holdings tab. This will provide a breakdown of your asset allocation. Finally, ensure to regularly review and update your performance metrics. This will help you stay informed about your investment progress over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.